You sleep 8 hours. You rest. You eat well. And yet, every morning feels like dragging your body through mud. You're not exhausted because you're weak. You're exhausted because your brain is drowning. You've mistaken rest for recovery. But rest doesn't mean repair. Your body sleeps, but your mind never powers down. You close your eyes, but your brain is still scrolling, replaying sounds, flashes, notifications, unfinished thoughts. You wake up more tired than before, and you call it burnout, laziness, depression. But the truth is simpler and darker. You're not tired, you're overstimulated. You're dopamine starved in a world that keeps force-feeding you dopamine. Every scroll, every like, every 5-second clip, another microdose of artificial motivation. Your brain was never designed for this flood. The more you consume, the less you feel. The more connected you are, the more disconnected you become from yourself. Here's the science. Dopamine isn't just pleasure. It's the spark behind curiosity, ambition, learning, drive. When you fry that system with constant novelty, the circuit burns out. Your brain stops responding to real life. That's why silence feels unbearable. That's why simple tasks feel impossible. That's why you need music just to shower and podcasts just to walk. You think you need more sleep, but your body's already had enough. What you need is stillness. Your brain isn't fatigued from work. It's fatigued from noise. Noise disguised as content. Content disguised as productivity. And this is what's terrifying. You've been taught to fear boredom, to fill every second with something. But boredom is how your brain resets. It's how clarity is born. It's the silence between thoughts that lets you finally hear yourself again. So if you truly want energy back, if you want motivation that lasts longer than a 10-second clip, you have to detox your mind. Step 1. 1 hour of nothing. Every day. No phone, no noise. Just you and your thoughts. Let your brain scream, fidget, crave, then watch as it quiets down. Because that's the moment healing starts. Step 2. Practice boredom. Sit, breathe, don't chase stimulation. At first you'll hate it, but that's the withdrawal talking. Stay with it. You're retraining your brain to live again. Step 3. Start your day with friction. Do one hard thing before you touch your phone. Cold shower, push-ups, writing, reading. Something that doesn't give you instant reward, but builds real momentum. Because the truth is, you were never lazy, just hijacked. Your energy isn't gone. It's being stolen in microdoses every time you escape into the feed. Take it back. Reclaim your focus. Let your mind breathe again.
It wasn't sleep you were craving, but peace.